Hello everyone, I am Sipul Pandey from class 7th English BLDAV Itumpura.
This is water. We know it is used to dissolve things. But today, I want to show you that it is also used to separate things out with the magic of chromatography. Come, I will show you.
Here are the things that we need for the experiment. A tissue paper, a pair of scissors, some paper clips, empty refills, these are tall glasses, and few marker pens, a straw, and a jar filled with water. So let's begin. I have cut out
3 strips out of the toilet paper.
So here are the 3 strips and the marker pens. Now I am going to put a line using these marker pens on each of the strips 2 cm from the bottom. Now we will secure the strips on the refill using the paper clip. We take some water in the glasses. Now we dip the strips in water, keeping in mind that the colored mark is above the water surface. Red is the primary color, while brown and grey are a mixture of several colors. So we can see while grey and brown separate into several colors, red remains red. This happens because water can travel upward through the pores in the tissue paper made up of cellulose. This upward movement of water through the tiny pores is called capillary action. As the water moves up, the dissolved colors also move up the paper. Wow, what beautiful colors have appeared on the paper! But we started with the grey line. Where did the blues, greens and pinks come from? These colors are due to different chemicals that the ink is made up of. The colored chemicals have different solubilities in water. Green and blue chemicals have higher solubility, so travel with water to a great distance, while pink travels only for a short distance as its solubility in water is less. This technique is called ascending chromatography as the color material travels from the bottom to the top.
For the second part of the experiment, we are going to use some circular patterns to have some fun.
As I drop water in the center of the paper, it radially flows in all directions and we see a beautiful pattern emerge. The brown ink splits into shades of reds, oranges and blue-greens. How fascinating! This is an example of radial chromatography. Chromatography finds wide application in purification and identification of compounds in medicine and cosmetics industry and research. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.